How to drift.
You look so gay.
Oh, yes. Nice. The door is stuck. The door is stuck.
One head in the morning, she just want lay in the daylight. She ain't tryna do no falling. Don't want love if it ain't right. Walk on the beach on Sunday afternoon to make her feel alive. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I can change the story if you let me. Promise in the morning won't forget me. Lately I've been missing California. I ain't far from perfect, but you get me. Lot of miles getting in the way. I just want
what you say?
what you want. I've been thinking about you every day. Catch a plane and wait for me to come through. See a whole move, there ain't nothing that I won't do. Chillin' at the bar, but she back it up. A good girl, but she acting up. A good girl, but she bad as fuck. She on 10, but I'm catching up. She sweat me and I gas her up. I'll be dumb if I pass it up.
It's 9 AM. It's the first time of us actually using the beautiful Miata. It's actually also the first time I will ever be going sideways. I'm not saying drifting because it's not gonna be much of drifting. Yeah, I tried once. I tried going sideways once with Boogie. He was trying to teach me in his Beamer, and it didn't turn out very well. The conditions are pretty nice actually for learning, as you can see. It's full of ice, snow. It's very slippery. It's nice. Very easy to learn, I think. Should be fun.
Oh, he's got 115 in theory horsepower, which for the snow, you know, is okay. But this guy here, yeah? What's your power?
250 horsepower.
Yeah, so he's got 250 horsepower turbo NA Miata, which looks sick, by the way. And yeah, I don't know, man. Do you think it's enough power for this condition?
I don't know if 250 is enough though.
Okay, you can try your best, yeah? Just kick the clutch a lot.
Yeah,
He's gonna kick the clutch a lot and he's gonna sort it out. Man, look at the interior of this car, yeah? This is
So gay.
And I know, before you say, yeah, that this Miata is rice as fuck, you're gonna beep that. I wanna say, I know. And it's amazing.
Okay, it's freezing, so let's go drifting. Yeah, Marek, let's go drifting.
Let's go drifting.
Drit?
Let's go drift.
Like you shine so bright.
How to drift?
It's fine, you'll be fine, let's go.
Why is he pushing me? Why pushing? Pushing no good, man. So Sam hasn't really taught me anything so like much yet, only in theory. So this first run we just want to try to see what I can do without.
Yeah, the first couple runs you need to fill the car.
Yeah, I just need to fill the car because we drove 200 meters in 2 months.
She ain't trying to do no falling. Don't want love if it ain't right. Walk on the beach on Sunday afternoon. Make her feel alive.
Yeah, keep. Yeah.
Change the story if you let me. Promise in the morning.
So, for those of you that don't know, Marek doesn't actually have a driving license, and he really didn't drive a car more than, you know, once or twice in his life. So, this is very new experience for him. It's very slippery as well. So, for now, for like first, you know, couple runs, he needs to just get comfortable with the car. You know, we told him to just go around, do some stupid shit just to get used to the car. It's very sleepy though, and we have summer tires. Still fun.
On it, won't forget me. Lately I've been missing California. I ain't far from perfect, but you get me. Lot of miles getting in the way. I just wanna give you what you want. I've been thinking about you every day. Catch a plane and wait for me to come through. Come through. Come through.
It means everything to me to not feel gaslit every day. It means everything to me to just feel heard and understood. It means everything to me to let go of control. It means everything to me to trust folks. I don't want to do things on my own. I want to be able to share responsibility. I want to be able to dream together and make things happen. It means everything to me to spend time in nature, to have the time to look up at the stars, and especially to cloud gaze. I love to cloud gaze.
Of course.
It means everything
Very
to me
nice.
to have my own space.
That's nice. Okay, Marek.
I love it. It's very fun. The only thing at the moment is that the guys are trying to explain me what to do exactly, you know, with the throttle, with the steering. I understand it very well in theory, and I understand how it works. But when I get inside the car in the driver's seat, it doesn't connect that well in my mind yet, you know. So I think I just need some time and get used to it.
Right.
Yeah, I went there back in the day, circa 2008. Beer cans by the lake, fall in love for the fate. Find someone and escape. You poor, I relate. We both out of place. Get drunk, hop the gate. Build Rome in a day. Hold hands till they break. Hey, love Jones like real love. Like old people that feel young. What you talking about? Feel young, but still young. Like you so beautiful. I just wanted you to know I fell for your soul. Even when the well dry, I'ma be by your side.
Also, another tough thing here is because the surface is so slippery and there is a bit of snow, bit of ice and bit of actually tarmac. The surface changes. For example, where he is now is very slippery, but here it's more grippy, and here it's slippery again. So you need to adjust your throttle differently on different surfaces. So you need to focus about surface now as well, and not just on driving.
Lil' mama in the back, baby boy in my lap. 7 colors in the sky, I've been fucking with the ride. I've been jumping with the tide, riding invisible waves. Getting through critical days, trying to do minimal pain. Seeing the physical gains, lost in the digital fame.
I might have hit the wall with this, and exhaust got a bit. The car is very reliable though. We were driving for like 1 hour without stopping and everything seems to be fine, apart from the exhaust. So it got a bit grippy now. It's even trickier now.
Yeah, because some bits are grippy, some bits are still slippery.
Ice.
So I don't mind going anyway, you know. It's all fun.
Blood in my vein, love in my pores, sun on the way. I'm up in the morning, stay in my lane, refusing to change.
That you didn't hear anything.
I'll ignore everybody, you know. When I'm home,
I can feel that it's so grippy now.
Like, doesn't matter how big the opportunity, I don't care.
Hey yo,
Because at the end
nice
of the day,
hoodie.
Nice door, man.
Where did you get that?
You know how it is. NIGHTRIDE.pl in the future.
still have a
I got it in the future. I like
That was a bad plug, man. What kind of Kevin is that?
Transport Kevin.
Transporter Kevin.
Węgiel Kevin.
Kevin's giant bravo.
Kevin z gruby to jest.
Okay, it's too cold now.
It's up to him what he takes away from our relationship, you know, and he still needs to learn things. And people always tell me like you're so cynical, but I'm like, one day I'm gonna die, you know? And so none of this will matter. All the work I put in will not matter. It's striving for the win, you know, as the Bible would say. And
We're just about to park the cars to take a thumbnail picture.
Oh, good, man.
And of course, it couldn't be NIGHTRIDE without something going wrong.
Yeah, we were just talking about how nice the car was, you know, everything, nothing broke except of the exhaust. And now the key got stuck.
Ajej.
and I look at that and I take that to heart because, man.
Past half an hour, we were trying to take out the key because the key was stuck in it. And we couldn't do anything, so we called the previous owner. And then he told us that because the car was with automatic gearbox before, they had to do a little bit of
engineering.
And here there's a hidden button, and you need to push it to get the key out.
Wow.
That's some nice stuff there.
Top quality engineering. I love it.
Okay, anyway, this is how the yard look now. As you can see, there is almost no snow. There is either a grippy wet tarmac or an ice, which is there. Almost impossible to drive actually, because the car is either grippy or without grip at all. So I think we're just gonna call it a day. It was pretty nice, nothing broke. Marek got some driving, which is always good. He still doesn't feel too comfortable, but it was a step one to be professional drifter though. So.
How to drift?
Love is love.
You look so gay. Give me a kiss.
Sun is up. Fuck it up. Get your cash.
Wow, that was so gay, man. I love it.
Get your ass up. Run it up. Fuck her back up. Tell her back up. Coming up. Tell them catch up. Get your racks up. Yeah, yeah. Woke up in my bag. Only focused on my path. They had kicked me at my lowest. Now they hit me like my bad. Hear that birdie sing that song. Ain't no kick drum, but it's slap. My little baby love me long. I got these blessings in my lap.